In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best snow sleds in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The SnowRunner sled allows you to race down hills at the high speed, whilst steering your way to the bottom. The lengthened steering column gives better control. Extra strong, featuring a strong tubular steel frame and a 250 pounds weight capacity. The sled for snow is ideal for adults and kids aged 15 plus. Wide skis, durable, wide-track skis make it easy to glide down the slopes. The steerable sled has a comfortable, molded seat and high sitting position for smooth operation. Brakes. The ski sled features built-in foot brakes to control your speed on steep slopes. The Snow Racer sled is a fun, upgraded version of a standard utility sled. The sled for kids and adults is easy to transport. A retractable pull rope makes it simple to pull your sled back up the hill. Number 4. If you feel the need for speed, consider the Hammerhead Pro HD by Yukon. Unlike most sleds, it features stainless steel and leaf spring steering handles at the front that allows the rider to twist and turn with precision while traveling downhill. The sled bottom has polycarbonate and HDPE, high-density polyethylene, skis for more accurate control while turning. The 51-inch by 22.5-inch frame is made from durable powder-coated 6000 aluminum that can carry one adult, 13 years and older, who weighs no more than 230 pounds. This sled also comes with a detachable nylon carrying strap for pulling it back up the hill. Number 3. The first thing to know about this sled: it's not meant to go downhill, since safety experts recommend that children younger than 5 always ride with an adult. You can, however, place your little one in the seat and tow them around. If you're at a park with a lot of snow, it will definitely maneuver better than a stroller. The sled is made of hardwood, and the toboggan comes fully assembled. Just take note that the sled doesn't come with a cushion, it's sold separately. And it's best to use one that fits the sled so your toddler sits comfortably. This would make a great Christmas or birthday gift for a toddler experiencing their first snowfall. Number 2. A classic sled is what you need to let your soul feel free. As you sled across those snowy hills and breathe fresh air, all that stress disappears. The flexible Flyer Metal Runner Snow Sled is your key to enjoying this experience. Its 48-inch size is small enough to grab little kids safely and large enough to accommodate adults. There are 2 options to steer the sled. You can either lie down with your hands or stay in a seated position with your feet. Or better, get a rope, attach it to the steering bar, and slide wherever you want. Once you have figured out your track on the hill, this will be the fastest and most flexible sled running up there. The birchwood material has powder-coated steel runners to enhance its durability. On top of it, the double knee construction ensures it won't crack or lose control along the way. Number 1. The Slippery Racer Downhill Extreme Toboggan Snow Sled is a classic plastic toboggan shape with a few upgrades I would have been glad to see as a kid. Cut-out handles for a secure grip and easy carrying, a proprietary IceVix cold-resistant coating that helps prevent cracking and scratching, and durable construction using a sturdy but flexible plastic that can bend to 90 degrees without breaking. The Slippery Racer Toboggan is sized for adults at 48-inch long, and has a smooth and slick bottom, helping it to glide over all sorts of snow, from soft, fresh powder to heavier, wetter packed snow. The sled features a slight taper toward the front that increases its dynamic performance and helps accommodate a smaller rider during an adult-child tandem ride. If you accidentally hit a rock or root during your ride, the sled can take the abuse without breaking and is backed by a year-long warranty. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.